In this question, we have to find the value of the given expression, that is 3 into cos theta minus sin theta whole raised to power 4 plus 6 into sin theta plus cos theta whole raised to power 2 plus 4 sin raised to power 6 theta, where theta belongs in range from pi by 4 to pi by 2. Our options are: first 13 minus 4 cos 4 theta, second 13 minus 4 cos 6 theta, third 13 minus 4 cos raised to power 6 theta plus 2 sin raised to power 4 theta cos square theta. Fourth option is 13 minus 4 cos 4 theta plus 2 sin raised to power 4 theta cos square theta. Now, in order to solve this question, first of all, we will simplify the given expression, which are sin theta minus cos theta whole to the power 4. That is simplified here, and it gives out the value 1 plus 4 sin square theta cos square theta minus 4 sin theta cos theta. Now further we will simplify sin theta plus cos theta whole square, which gives out this value 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now after simplifying all these value, we will input these value into the question which is provided to us. After substituting the value, as we can see, on to substituting this value, we will get this equation, and after simplifying this equation we will get our final answer, that is 13 minus 4 cos to the power 6 theta. That is our part 2. Therefore our answer is part 2, 13 minus 4 cos raised to power 6 theta.